Good morning for both of
Good
us.
morning, Marcus.
Good morning for you, good morning for me. Because now really here, I may say, I can say that's good morning.
Yeah,
Joseph, please
Marcus.
share your screen and tell me what is afraid in you.
Good morning, Father or me. Let me happen. Marcus, sorry. So, um, my problem was basically the in and out,
Uh-huh. I
which I
noticed
just
you created your file version
six
600
600. Yes.
and you also created two folders, in and out.
I created. Yes, I created the folder in and out, but I just don't know what to put in that folder.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not finding again. Okay. So I did the user. I did the user as it was in
Okay.
the
First
manual.
things first. You
Okay.
created your in and out folder inside your own Joseph's folder. Is that right?
I think so, but I was looking for it, but I
Okay,
couldn't
I'm
find it
looking
now.
for the same as you are looking for. Um, Zio, Afavi Joseph. There is no in and out. There is not the in
Yes.
and out folder. So please open your folder and just create now two folders.
Should I put it in the backup or I
Not
should
not in
just
backup.
keep?
Inside of the Fabi Joseph folder. New yes folder. I don't remember the name. The folder's name. Do you remember?
Yes. Let me bring up the document. Sorry. Yes. So it is. This is the name of the document.
Okay. SPU0426 in, SPU0426 out. It could be any name you decide, you choose. Let's just keep our name.
Okay.
SPU 0426, that's our classroom. In, as maybe your,
Oh, I should remove the 005.
yes, and the other is out.
Okay. Out.
Joseph, let's just understand the idea. You have created two folders in your own
Okay.
folder. That means your folder, your Joseph, Fabi Joseph folder, means your company or corporative folder where everybody can access. Not only you, but all your team, all of your
Okay.
teams. And why do we have two folders? Because Spider works in this way. You please change into Spider. Look for users. View, menu view, users, group work, users, and you have to make your, just imagine, user Daniel, user 3, double click, you will say, my user Daniel will have an input folder. Select your input folder. Input folder. That's a common folder for everybody. He could also have its own folder, but you decide to keep everybody inside in. Please select SPB0426 in. Open. Okay, open again, please. So everything will be stored in this folder for this user. As we create a common folder for everybody, user 3, user 4, user 1 will be saved in the same folder in. User 3, Daniel or Jonathan, will look for his work in this folder. He will open his folder and he will open this file to keep his actual work. And when he finishes, he will save in his outbox. So please select outbox folder for user 3. Okay?
Okay.
Just apply. Sorry, just to say okay. Please copy the same information inbox outbox for user 4. Jonathan. Control C, Control V. Now we have oriented, we have touch Spider where to deposit it or where to save their files. Please change into performance archive, performance table. No, yes, performance inputs. This is what you got to send to them. But to whom? User 0, user 1, user 2. But please, let's go back to users table to identify user 1 and user 2. Copy the same information to user 0 and to user 1 and user 2. Okay, they will be placed at the same folder. Not only user 1, user 2, user 3, they will be together. Please go back to performance inputs You are applied as a manager. User 2 for direct work, okay?
Okay.
And user 1 for logistics.
Yes.
If you decide to send the files to user 1 and user 2, you have to delete user 0.
0.
Double click on yes. No. Double click on yes and remove. Not yes. Remove director. Why is it necessary? Why this is necessary? Because when you send something according to your WBS, the top user will receive everything and the users below won't receive. Because if he is the responsible for everything, he will be responsible to report everything. Even if you have set managers for logistics specifically and another one into works, direct work. Did you understand the idea?
Yeah, I understand.
Sometimes it does not make sense, but this how Spider works. If you have any user under a big one, just the big one will receive the information in the input folder. Okay, you have created your performance inputs. They will know what they will have to do, but they have not done it yet. So please go to performance inputs, menu, performance inputs. No, performance inputs on the menu, not view. Yes, please go to distribute as documents. Don't click. No, click, go back. Just pause your, yes. If you want to distribute this as documents, Spider will create 2 documents and you have to take each document and send to user 1 and user 2. But if you drop your mouse down, distribute to web. No, not consolidate, distributing. They will have to understand what they will do. Just when they finish their work, you will call consolidate. They did not anything. Distribute to web, you are not going to distribute as a document. You will distribute it to the web, uploading to web, and then they will report in web, and then you consolidate it from web. That's not our case. Go to distribute as text file. Imagine they do not have internet access. They don't have access to read documents, Spider documents. So we want to distribute it as text files. A simple text file. They will open the text file, they will edit the text file, and then you will consolidate it. Okay, that's not our case. Go to distribute as JSON file. This case, it will be distributed to somewhere in the web, in a site, and with your telephones, your cell phone, your tablets, you will download and you will inform actual data by your telephone, by your cell phone. That's not our case. Sorry, go to distribute as documents. Yes, and Spider will create 2 different documents, one for user 1 and another for user 2, and it will place these documents into their folder. Please distribute as documents. Click. Distribute assignments, the yellow lines. Okay. Distribution complete successfully for the following user. User 1 and user 2. The documents was placed in their folders. Please change into folders vision. Open in. You will see two documents, user 1 and user 2. Of course, user 1 will open his own folder, own file, and user 2 will open his own file at the same net, at the same intranet structure. Do you see that only logistics went to user 1?
One, yes, I saw.
Okay, place your window on the right side and open the other one. The user 2 just received his own direct work activities. That's clear for you until up to now?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Okay, let's go to folders view in your main folder again. Let's read it together, the name of the file, the file's name. User 1, you understand that is just for user 1. And then SPB0426 005.001. That means this is the first file user 1 is receiving in order to keep their information, to keep his information. Let's go to what you opened on Spider.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. If user 1 completes actual information,
But explain, right? Yes.
If user 1 complete his information, okay, please maximize user 1 window, and let's check. Water 1, line 4, volume hundreds, volume before, and volume done. Okay, user 1 will say, okay, we received 100 liters water 1, okay. Duration hour, okay, 1. But expenses, costs, real, please change into 18,000, not, but you must keep it in minus. That means that water is cheaper than expected, okay? It's an illusion, but it's according to user 1, it's the reality. Go to the right, please. Let's check other information. Water before, okay, instead of 20,000 liters, keep 18,000 liters. Water fixed consumed, okay, also please change. That means the users want information. Water fixed remaining, okay, you may say minus thousands.
Minus
1,000.
Okay, I think it came by itself by subtracting this
Okay,
from
okay, okay,
this.
okay. Please make it 0. They are not the water supply. The water supplier is not owing you 2,000. You just received 18 consumed period. Okay, keep it less minus 18,000. Okay, you have not received 20,000. You have not. User one has not received it. But anyway, he has not received it, and the supplier is not owing him any other debts. It's 0. And user one is happy with less water than it would have. Okay, move to the right columns, please. There is something for diesel, but we will keep it okay as a... Do you see any reason column? I mean, there are a lot of information. Please right click on the column to see if you can include general, no, cost components. Please go to cost components, expense material, go to material please, and go again to general. Do you see morale of the teams?
Yes.
Include this column because I don't remember seeing it. Double click on water 1. Line, yes. No, in the column, please. The cell. Keep a number, 5. And funding means money. Look for the column for money, please. Keep moving to the left. Funding.
This funding.
Yes, but I don't know why there is volume of 100. I know. Okay, imagine that our team, user 1 from our team, has
This is
completed
the order for
company. Yeah, I found it. Company image. Say, okay, number 5. Company image is 5. Responsible for the deviation. Please go to water 1 and say the supplier who was responsible for the volume deviation from water. Supplier. Okay. Move to the left to see if there is anything else. Left. No other information. Okay. As user 1 finishes his work, he will go to documents. Yes, save as, and he will save as outbox folder. Please look for outbox folder. There is no outbox folder. Yes? There is no outbox folder visible in your structure. So, user 1 must create his folder. Please go to plus. There is a plus folder. Yes. Look for outbox. Navigate and look for outbox. Yes. Okay, open again. And say name, outbox folder, or out information, or done. The best name could be work finish or outbox space work finish it.
The best name should be what?
Work finished, but please, the first characters should be SPB0426.
Okay.
SPB0426 space work finished. Or out, just out. Okay? No, not just for. Okay, maybe it's your work. Okay, it's your identification. Out. Okay. Okay. And please move the out to the left by the arrows. The arrows below. The arrows below. No. No. Yes. Please do the same for in.
Okay.
The folder are not visible automatically. You must create your structure.
Okay.
Okay, open. Just open. And off and okay. Move it. Yes, it's on the right place. But what we have done, we user one accesses the file by the file address.
Yes.
Now he's able to locate his own file by the structure, by the storage structure. Okay, he's going to save. Save in out, please. Okay? Move to your folder view window. No, I mean, your directory, your Explorer. Check if you have in and out. There is an out.
Okay, I have one out here.
Yeah. Is there any difference in user's name file? User01.spb0426. Is there any difference out and
no,
in?
it's the same.
Look for.
It's the same.
It's the same, not the same. The same name, but the information in out file is different from information from in file. Do you agree?
I agree.
Okay. User one accessed his file by your window, the directory window, Explorer window. But if he has his storage folder, storage structure in Spider completely done, please change into Spider. He would not need to close this, please close this file and open the structure, open the Spider folder. No, on the yes. These two folders is was worked on, but these two files. But go to the folder icon, yes, and go to in SPB in. you would find his own file by project and documents window, not by Explorer. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
User 2 also may open his in
Um,
data file. Please open it. He would open it by his own passwords, by his own login. You have not to open by password because you are the owner of everything. You are the top manager. Please
yeah.
just change the volume before. Forgot indirect work, forgot this, let indirect work according to what it is, and go to flow 1 transports. Volume done. That's a part of the transportation. Make it 1. Enter. Did you see that the remaining came into 8?
Yes, I
Okay.
saw.
Go to duration hour. Yes.
Mhm.
It is expected to be used 4 hours. Inform that he used 5 hours. Okay. Did you see that helper drive and truck change the same way?
Yes,
You
I
could
saw.
make it different, but not to be so detailed. Go to duration hours remaining. As you use it 5 hours to make 1 volume, you are expected to spend 33 hours to finish it, okay? But
Yeah.
it's not mathematical. It's not linear.
Class. Meia class. Never try. Never try. Okay. Sorry.
You are expected to use 30 in the future, 33 hours to finish your work. But you are going to say, I need 48 hours. That's the reality. That's not ideas. So change the hours for helper, drive, and truck. Everybody will have to work together 48 hours. Did you understand?
Yes, please.
La quantity, yes, 2 helpers and 1 driver and 1 truck. Okay, please move to the right to check your columns. Expenses you may change, okay, go please to the right. No, just keep it as it is. Water consumers, they should drink just 15 liters. Please change it into 20. And make then, yes, 12 and 8. It is not totalizing 20. So please make driver 7 and truck 1.
1.
What are you doing now? You as a user 2, you are informing real data. You are not informed automatically data. You are informed what you consumed, what you have done, what you will have to consume, okay? Please keep moving to the right. Forgot diesel, just forgot it. Keep moving. Where
It's finished.
is reason Responsible column. Go to the left to check it, please. Responsible for deviation. Who is responsible for deviation line 21? Please write down Jonathan. Morale of the teams. How the team is. Okay, he is 4, not 5, because they are not so motivated, not so much happy with their work. Company match, okay, no problem for them, 5. These are not direct and numerical information. These are 3 personal information. These are 3 extra information. Who is responsible, how the team is feeling, and how people see your company. Okay, as user 2 has finished his real data, actual data, please save it as work finished in its proper folder. Out. Okay, save. Close this window and please go to the Explorer to check your folders. No, not this Explorer, the Windows Explorer. Check in and check out. The 2 files are still there.
User 1 and user 2.
This is the idea, the first idea of their work. Now look for your out folder. This is the reality, the work they have really done. Okay?
Yes.
Move to Spider again, please, and let's check the performance. Yes, there is no performance inputs because you have distributed it. Okay?
Okay.
Go to performance inputs and consolidate from documents. Everything they said, now it's written on your screen. Remember, user 1 made his appointments. User 2 made his appointments. Do you understand that?
Yes.
But you will decide if you use their information or not. Please, Jonathan says Morales of the teams 4. You do not agree. Change it into 3. Yes. The number is 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
He was not able to see this drop-down list.
Yes.
And he filled it with 5. So you are correcting. Company image, please right-click. You don't agree with 5. You think that is 6. Responsible for the deviation, Jonathan. Double-click and say, Jonathan, you must write down, Jonathan and his supplier. You may write everything you want here. Okay?
Okay.
Please check volume done 1. Do you agree? Let it is as it is. Move to the right and look for diesel. Move to the right. Look for diesel. Consumed by periods should be 50, okay? Please change it into 60. Check truck, 60. and move to the first column, Morales, responsible. Double click in Jonathan Supplier and write something. I know, according to some reports, an extra diesel consumption. Okay, enter. And let's review. You made your performance input table for user 1 and user 2. You decide to deliver this performance input distributing to user 1 and user 2. They received it in the folder. You informed that user 1 and user 2 have as input and output folder. They could access their file by Windows Explorer or by Spider looking for storage. You distribute again. You should not distribute. You should consolidate. Let's go back. Performance input. Consolidate.
Okay, maybe it's because I distributed.
the Gantt. Okay. Open the structure, please. Open the project structure at WBS. Open WBS complete. You did not kept it into your project. You just made something that arranged all the information. Because after consolidating and accepting the idea, you should press the red button. Go to performance input again. And the icon below.
I should press this.
You should press, but do not press. Go to the please go to the performance inputs, the icon below this one. Yes.
This one?
No, the other one. Yes. There is no information added to projects. So let's clean. No, do not clean it. You try to consolidate, okay? Go to Windows Explorer and to see what happened. Outbox. Yes. The information is still there. Okay?
Yes.
Go to Spider. And where is it? Compare. Go to input performance. Input table. Yes. Oh. Yes. And try to performance input menu. Distribute, consolidate from documents. Right, okay. Strange, okay. Please. Performance input. No. Go to the activity Gantt. And let's make another project. No. Line 1. Right click. No. Just right click to find the menu. Add to performance input table. Let's create again everything. Okay, make the same adjust, okay. Distribute
It's here.
distribute, okay, you recover it. Distribute it. No, you need not to distribute because the information is complete here, okay?
Yes.
Now you check. Transfer to read it. Performance input. Go to performance input menu. Go to performance input menu. No, performance input menu. Yes. Where is it? Transfer performance data into the project. You may use menu or you may use the red button.
Okay.
Please transfer. It is recommended to save your, just keep a minute. Wait a minute. This version is version number 600.
Yeah.
The version 600 was the baseline. Nothing was done before. Now you have something done for 7 days, I mean. So press yes because it will keep this version, not 600, but 601.
Yes, I've seen it here.
Please save it as, okay, project save as, okay, 601. Okay, press OK. What you have done, you transferred real information into your projects, but you have not scheduled it yet. Adjust the time scale to see everything at whole projects. Collapse, no, just compress logistic, close logistic, and look for flow 1. Flow 1, yes, and open the scale. I mean, increase the time scale to note the difference. More. Okay, more. Do you see that they are not really close to baseline?
Yes.
Okay, but you have not rescheduled it. Okay?
Okay.
First step, you accept the information. Second step, you save it as 601, a version later than 600. Now you're going to schedule, but we're not going to schedule as CPM. We're going to schedule the second button as RCP. Yes. Okay, please reschedule it to see what damage your team gave to you. Remember, he asked for more time to finish his work. Instead of some hours, he asked for 48 hours. Do you remember that?
Yes.
That's the results. Please open a bit larger the time scale just to see shadows, baseline, flow 1, transports. This is 401, okay? Let's compare.
Yes.
Comparison, menu comparison with baseline. You have to look for, you have to set your baseline for 600. Project.
Marcus, you know, this problem, I think, is with my system is something that we've been going up and down, and
Okay.
I've never been able to
Go
solve
to
it.
go to project properties. Let's check it again. Try to select 600. Okay. Okay. And go to comparison, please. Comparison setup. Go to user fields, please. User fields. Yes. All these user fields must be added to field for comparison. Please mark them all, select and then move, okay? Okay. Let's check. Compare baseline, there is no baseline. Press OK to see what happened. Comparison with baseline.
The baseline didn't appear here.
No, at the second line, comparison with baseline. It's difficult to understand this. Choose the comparison. Okay, say no. Instead of compare, baseline compare with another projects. So choose your 600 version and move the user fields. Okay, yes, okay, it's moved. No, please calculate difference, compares. Yes. Okay, okay. Just press OK to see what happens.
It moved.
You have to understand what's happening. Responsible for deviation. Can you read the column? No. On the top. Floor 1. Yes. Transit license. Jonathan supply. I know. Okay. So everything is reported in this column. But you saw the difference between baseline and actual data.
Yes, I saw.
Please, to finish, go to the performance input table. No, the one below. This is the project history. All the activity, all the assignments. Look for the column, just Morales of the team. Look for the columns for reasons of responsibles of. If you cannot find it, please insert column. Show column, user, mobile, and where is responsible for deviation? Responsible person, okay? Responsible person 2, okay? Operational risk. Close and see the results. Company image, okay? Okay. Yeah. Where are the information? User 1 and user 2 fill it information to see it. Now, where is the information? Where are the information? Please go to your layout 600. Not in activity guns. in performance inputs. Yes. That is response for deviation. Please
Yes.
right click and include responsible for deviation again. Show column. Responsible for the, please wait a minute, before it consumed by period. Do you see there?
Yes.
Please do not check before. Check consumed by periods. Show. Okay, but you have to include other columns. And responsible for deviation. Consumed by period, show.
Yeah, I've showed it. I showed it before.
Okay, responsible person. Show. And risky operation, I think. Yes, show. Where company image, show. Please pay attention that it's consumed by periods. Users fill information in consumed by periods. Before is something that you give information to them.
Okay.
They must report what's consumed by period means what they said. If they do not say anything, your actual table will be empty. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, close. And now, please save the layout as current. Table, save layout as current. Now your mode 600 is really consumed by periods. Let's check. Please go to activity guns and press the right click on line 1 to make another performance input table. Add to performance input table. Okay. From project data. No, please read from project data date from now to 7 days. Yes? 7 days, a week. Okay? Please. User 2 will receive a bulletin. You receive a plan.
Any feedback from body market?
Not yet.
Not yet, no?
The friend is here. The friend is here.
Meeting. Ah, okay.
Is there any user 1? Is there any user 1 here?
User 1. No. It's only user 2
Okay,
here.
so
Because user 1 is for the logistics.
yes. So if you keep it responsible for the deviation here, he will receive a message. John and supplier, just change it into a message. Please complete everything without any miss. Just type this. Delete, yes.
Here?
Please complete everything. Okay. And the morale of the team is your information. Your information. Right click on morale of the teams and look for show columns, morale of teams, not before, just consumed by periods. Show and close. Yes, but delete Morale of the team's column. Yes, delete it or hide. And company image. Yes, yes. He must receive just what columns, the columns he will have to fill it. Okay, please save these modes or save this layout as current.
I can't find the one I just inserted, the company image and
Company what?
the company image and then the morals. I can't find it here.
Go to
It's
the
not here.
left, company image.
It's not here. It's not here. So let me go and add again.
Consumed periods, deviant.
So this one, so let me go and add again.
Try to reinsert.
I can't find it.
What? Company what? Company image, yes?
Company image.
Check user fields. No, yes.
Yes.
User
I
fields.
think it's because I deleted it.
Oh, yes, instead of hiding, you deleted it.
Yes.
You have to keep the same name and probably you erased everything from the actual data table. Spider gave
It's
you a
true.
warn. I think Spider
again.
gave you a warn. Are you deleting?
Yes, Spider gave me
I
one.
don't remember.
It's true. Yes, they gave me.
Okay. That's the reason we are making some exercise to make mistakes and not making mistakes in real world.
Sorry, give me
No problem, okay.
1 minute. Let
You
me
will
put this
recover
thing here.
from... Yes, go, please, please, please. Close this window without saving and open again. 601, close it before saving, without saving.
As you close?
Yes, close it and close 601, projects, close or exit. 601, right click and
Yeah, I've
close.
closed.
No. Go to the project, yes, right click, close, do not save, no.
Okay.
Open again. And you will have to check. You must check all the information. No, not performance inputs. Actual data. Yeah, okay, maybe. Reschedule it. Close logistics. Drag option enables keeps the scheduling too slow. Okay, I think are you comparing with your compared projects? Please look for comparison with base, oh, yes, okay. 600. Okay. User fields everybody to the, yes, mark, select everybody and move to the right. Compared projects, okay. Comparison with project and other projects, okay. Do it again. No necessary, no need. 601s explain that. Okay. Now go to your new line 1, add to performance input table, 7 days ahead, okay. User 2, and please let's check only consumed by periods. Mark everything together. Responsible person, responsible for deviation, company image, just mark everything together with control. Control pressed, morale, operational risk, responsible for deviation, personal, yes, person, risk, okay. Okay,
I think it's finished.
enough. Just consume my period. And please look for not this one, just make the message complete everything. Oh, you are too educated, you are too handsome. Not please complete everything. Do your work, complete it. Move to the right to see if there is any other bad column. Bad, I mean, or morale of the teams.
Yeah, this one. I have to hide them.
Hide it, hide it. Company, okay. Okay. Hide it. Do not delete. Hide.
Yeah, I think it's finished.
It's frozen here, your image. Okay. So
This
save your. No, you may keep this message to people. Please, menu table, layout, and save in project as current. Okay. Now you can distribute it. Performance inputs, distribute as documents, okay? Okay? Move your window to Explorer, or move your transmission to Explorer window. No, not this Explorer, the Windows Explorer. Let's check in. Now you see, user 2 has another file. Let's check user 2. User 2 has 3 files here. 1, 2, and 3. Do you see that?
Yes.
But we have made just one actual performance evaluation. Why
I think
it
it's this
is
one.
number 3? Because we redistributed. Remember that? We made something.
Yes, I remember.
Okay, move to Spider again. And as you are user 2, please open your file, Outbox, user, okay, yes.
Outbox or inbox.
Okay. User 2. Let's see, is that right? Yes. The second, user 1. In.
Yeah, inbox.
Yes.
Yeah.
User 2.
So this one.
Yes. The last one.
Yes.
Okay. Now, as you are user 2, you will read a message. Please complete everything. You need note this. Response for deviation consumed by periods. You must feel consumed by periods. The message came to you. Okay? Morale of the team, responsible for the deviation, responsible person, risk operational, double click in risk operational. No, yes, in cell. Try the drop down list. The drop down list that you made in your activity guns does not come into your performance inputs. Why? It's a mystery. They did not allow you to use the drop-down list that's easier to use. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, let's make a bad behavior. Instead of volume before, volume done, say 0. You have not worked. So you volume remaining 0 for floor expansion. Of course, you have done nothing. Line 17, 0. And remaining duration. As you have done nothing, you must expect to have 30 hours. Please change it into 64 hours. Everybody 64 hours. All the resource 64 hours. Keep the not work work done in activity floor 1 as expected for 40 hours to be done. Okay? Just press OK. Just press OK. I mean, just save it as completed. No. Document save as out. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay. Close it and go back to your spider. Performance input, consolidate from documents.
Why?
Because we are working with a file number 003, not 002. Spider is imagining that this is the second, but you are using the third one.
So should I delete the second one?
Because we made something wrong, and you start to have a version later than 2. That's a version number 3. Say yes. Okay, the consolidation was completed, but not with the file number 002, but with the file number 003. Check if the information is here.
Yes, it's here.
Okay, if it is according to what you expected, no comments. User 2 has not filled consumed by risk operational, responsible for the deviation. He has not completed anything. So press the red button, transferring information into the project, okay? It's recommended to increase your version. Okay, say yes. Now 600 is your baseline version. 601 is your first actual data inputs, and 602 is your second performance inspection. You must calculate it. Reschedule. Okay.
I've seen it.
As you
That's moved.
as you have not worked, user 2 hasn't done anything in this week, every work was delayed 1 week. If we increase the time scale, you see the grayish line, grayish bars being apart from colored one.
Yes.
Check the critical path. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. The problem user 2 calls to you, it's not damaging the project's target date. You have
Yes.
not to dismiss him yet.
But
Yet.
I think it's going to damage the cost. Is going to damage the resource allocation because I'll need to put in more helpers to other resources, other activities.
But I think you have not to dismiss him yet. Give him another chance. But please show him that every work in the future was delayed because his holiday week.
Yeah.
Okay, save it, please. Save the file as 602. Okay, okay. Now you have 600 means 600 means baseline. That's not
Yes.
working in your spider. Baseline. But you are using compared projects, okay?
Yes.
601 is your first information. Your first actual information. First week.
Yes.
602 is your second week, second package of work.
Week 2.
Please open your performance input table. No, performance input table, performance. Sorry, actual performance. The one below. The one below.
Archive.
Yes, performance archive. Now you have, please look for information of reason of delay, manager, look for reason of delay, risk, imagine, activity image, company's
It's not
image.
here, so let me include. It's not here.
Okay. Yes, it's okay.
It's here now.
Responsible for deviation because it was written by you and it was duplicated in user 2 information. Responsible person, he has not completed anything, but you may complete it now. Right here, Joseph's faults. Joseph, okay, Joseph, responsible person, Joseph. And responsible for deviation, the supplier. Imagine something like the supplier. Go to line 26. Let's see what the line 26 means on the left. On the left. No, on the, yes, on the first panel. What's the name of it? Flow inspection. Okay, please close. Say response for deviation. Jonathan? No, I responded to Jonathan on holidays, on vacation. Responsible person, Joseph. So you see, if people have not informed you what happened, you may make your data information, your database upgraded. You may complete the information you are not seeing. Activity code, just look for a special column.
Come again.
Please look for a special column. Present all the columns names. Right click, show columns. No, it's all standard, all standard. Finish manager. Finish of periods, no. There is somewhere the number of, let's see, no identifier. Just move the list up, please. All actual data. Date time of change. Okay. Where is it? Okay, date time of change. Please, if you made your first performance table last week, the date time of change will be presented last week. So the other group will be for this week. So you can detect the amount of data from each week. Do you have, please, do you have ChatGPT in your machine?
Yes.
Okay, copy the table. Open your charts and say, give me, no, please write it. Give me the reason of delay from this project's data. And go back to Spider, export this to Excel. Just press the button, yes.
Okay.
Okay. And save the Excel file with a name, any name. Just give a simple name, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I think that the one is there is okay. Facts.
Not web page, not web page, Excel data. The first one, Excel workbook. Save somewhere you can find it easily. Now go to Spider again, activity guns.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, I'm at activity guns.
Activity guns, save as Excel or just export to Excel as it is. Save this file with this name, actual performance. Actual performance. No, not going to open. Say actual performance.
Okay.
Save. Now open your baseline version 600. Export to Excel. And save as Excel workbook with the name baseline. Okay, save. Back to OpenAI ChatGPT. What are we doing? Just asking without any care, given the reason of delay from this project data. Attach everything, the three files. You see that we are not being careful in making a good prompts or making good data. Just giving. Oh yes, you have to close it. You have a free account.
Yes.
So let's upload just the actual and the facts.
Okay.
Actual and facts. It forgot baseline.
You have the paid version.
Another word, please. Another words. Data dots justify in 100 words. There is a plus. No, there is a plus. Yes. Deep search. Okay. Thinking. Thinking. Yes. Send it all. The idea is, if there is no information in your actual data archive, you won't have an answer. So people must fill every cell in the performance inputs in order the actual data, the archive performance will be completed, filled. Otherwise, you won't have the answers you want. So it's not a question of I don't want to fill. You have to fill all the information. Reason of delay, responsible causes and effects. Otherwise, not only ChatGPT, but also you won't be able to understand what's happening in your work. There was a problem with Joseph and Jonathan, is that right? The delay appears to be driven mainly by external administrative issue affecting logistics. There is a problem in logistics. Inspection task, data transport data, translator, market supply responsibility, showing the movement of material not proceed until the license, assessment fee, absence on, and a personal absence. Jonathan on vacation. This interruption pushed the transport inspection date several days later. It's not a precise idea or the precise consequences, but it gives you a quick idea of what is happening to your projects. But remember, if you do not oblige people, user 1 and user 2, to fill all the information, risk operational delaying, responsible for the delaying, causes, you won't be able to analyze your data. Okay, that was just a fun test. The main question is, did I did I help you to understand what you were looking for?
A lot, more than enough. I think what I was looking for was just about the in and out, but you've taken me beyond the in and out. You've shown me how to really input the data.
Do you think that the handbook is not clear enough or is not completed enough to make people understand? The videos were not so good?
Okay, it was good, but then I think when we come to this particular place, this is where I got a little bit confused. When we get here, I watched this video, and because you already created this particular document on your computer, so it took you straight there. But it's supposed to start by illustrating how to create the video, the folder, and where to keep that particular folder.
It's not clear in the video. I don't remember.
So in the video, you already had the file created before you started the video, but you didn't start from the beginning.
If it is not so clear, you may rewrite something to make it clear.
Okay. This is where you deleted the other one. Okay. This is from here. Okay. So I think I'm going to review the Unit 6 around this particular place and input that you have to create a folder in your directorate, naming it in and out. Yes, before you can come to this step. So when I was watching the video, when I got here, I just went to select, but when I went to select, I didn't see the in and out. So I was supposed to create a folder and rename it in and out.
And it's not clear in the video. Is it not clear in the video?
No. No.
Okay.
So when he opens it, you'll see it. In the video, you already had a folder created on your computer, so you just selected it.
I had it created before the video.
Yes, but I didn't have it created, so I was a little confused where to find this particular folder.
Okay, I will make a change in chapter 6, in unit 6, specifically I will write it.
Okay,
before
see, already.
In and out are already done. Okay, I have not created it in the video. Okay, I will reread what I have written. Reread what I have written in order to make it completed with these aspects. Let me note it down here. Minutes. Just a minute. Make in, out, folders clear in handbook. Because in video they were already done and you do not understand from where in out came from.
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, you mean, please note that the actual data input is 1, 2, 3. There are 8 items in menu in the video. But when you open your Spider, there are not just 8 items in menu. Change to Spider to check it. Your Spider. Open the input performance table. Input performance table.
Sorry.
Yes. And performance input menu item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 items. In 2026, we have 16 items to distribute and consolidate. Alt tab for video in YouTube. If you check, there are
Okay.
just 8 export as document to web and
Yes.
text, okay?
Yes.
Now we have
So we have to review that one also.
JSON, the documents, a lot of different ways of dealing with your stakeholders, dealing with your team, exporting, distributing by web, distributing by document, distributing as document, distributing as text, distributing for mobiles. The video was from which is the date? This video.
The video is from 3 years ago.
3
that
years
was
ago.
2023.
In 3 years,
Yes,
Spider has developed other ways of communication with the teams. Besides, Project in Primavera still remains the same way to dealing with their teams. Some 30 parts that makes applications to make this interface. Okay, I wrote down here to making out folders clean handbook. Is there any other information that should be clear?
So far, this is the only one that I came across that was a little bit confusing, but
okay,
I've not met anyone with it.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Marcus. Bye.